somewhere deep within. It shelters like an arm that always takes you in, and the mind goes numb until it's feeling no pain. And the soul cries out for a handful of rain. No! Wash your women in your whiskey when your future's in the past, and you're staring up at heaven from the bottom of a glass, and you need some insulation from the years you've had in loss, and you feel the perspiration as you're adding up the cost, and the night rolls on like a slow-moving train, yeah. And the soul cries out. There's a land beyond the living, there's a land beyond the dead. If it's true that God's forgiving of the lives that we have led, in the distance there's a thunder and the air is thick and warm, and the patrons watch with wonder the approaching of the storm, and the night rolls on like a slow-moving train, yeah. And the soul cries out for a handful of rain. There's an old man in the corner and he's smoking all the time, and the smoke is drifting upward and it's twisted in my mind. My mind. Whiskey's getting deeper and I use it like a mode. There's a blues man in the distance and he's lost inside his note. His note. His The night is growing dark. From somewhere deep within, it shelters like an arm that always lets you in. And the night rolls on like a slow-moving train, and the soul